Hi, I'm John Herrick from Crawl Magazine, and I've got my 2012 JK two-door. We call it the little feller. Well, first of all, it's got 35-inch tires. Most everybody on the Trek is 37 or bigger, so it's been a bit of a challenge. There's nothing quite like Utah, and it's a state that I've been coming to Moab every year since 2009, but you never get a chance to venture out. And we've done, I don't know, 300, nearly 400 miles of backcountry off-road. We've seen stuff, God, today is what, 95 degrees outside? And yet a day and a half ago, we were in a foot of snow. So we've covered the gamut, and it's been a real eye-opener for me. So it's the Legend Mud Terrain. I'm really impressed. First of all, like I said, it's a 35-inch tire. I have to be a little bit more careful than the guys that are running low pressures on 40s, but the lateral traction is fantastic. We've been mobbing around some of these dirt road corners and drifting it, and it hooks up just immediately. And I'm just running a stock powertrain, and it's just been a blast.